And the last one, this one, I've been waiting for this. And mega love shout out to Viva Princess. She's the one who gave me the inspiration of getting this, because she and I think she had a premiere about this that she purchased just recently on her premiere about this item. And this one is an OSMO mobile tree. It's a tripod with the trick. And this tripod has a storage pouch, the wrist strap, the OSMO mobile tree, and a power cable. And what is this one means, I will give you the review for that as well. So let's go dive into this. When I watched the premiere of Viva Princess, it's inspired me to get this kind as well, because I've been looking for this. Let's go to this one. There's another box that we have to open.
Here's the your restaurant. Here's the manual in this.
And here's the cable. And this one is the pouch, I guess. Yes, this is the pouch. See, this is how long. So just like that. So it's not that tall. It's not tall. So again, you can put this in your purse. And there you go. This is what I've been talking, baby. So this one, it's really nice. It's quite heavy though. This. So first I have to upload the apps for this, because it said activate the OSMO mobile tray when using it for the first time by following the steps in the DJI Memo app. So I have to download the apps for this before I can use this. But phone camera direction. So the purpose of this is that you can just set your phone, put your phone in here. So for example, you put your phone, this is an iPhone 10, because I'm using my iPhone 12 right now filming this video. So put like this, and then how to stop. But yeah, before we use this one, we have to download first the OSMO DJI apps for this, so we can use this. But press and hold the record button, trigger and M button simultaneously for 1 second to forget the Bluetooth device. So it's like this. I don't know, let's see. It's like this. And here's the cable. And then there's another attachment in this for, I think, for the standing cable on it that you can use. And I have that already, so that's why I didn't bought that, because that one mine is universal. It's a universal, and I'm certain that I can use that for this. But so far, this is another one that it's as what I saw on the review, that this one will gives you the idea, or the motions less. So you need to, you know, to do like a typical doing the video, like you do this one, because this one will work that for you. All you have to do is to you know, to do this one, and then even do the steady one, and all you have to do is just press which bottom would you like, to which directions you would like this to move. But for now I gotta use it. I don't know how to do it yet, and also I have to download the apps for that, for this. So we will see that. So let's take this one out. And this is an iPhone 10 that, as you saw it already, that as you've seen already, that it will, the iPhone 10 fits in there, and also my iPhone 12 surely will fit in this one as well. So that's for our unboxing for today. And first, again, what I got first is this transmitter microphone, and the second one is this AirPads that just hook it outside from the outer of your ears, and this one, and the second one is this one. So we will see. I don't even know how to put this in the back. Fold it, just fold like this, then put it in your bag like this, and you're good to go. You can carry this whenever you go. It's really nice, guys. So thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing, and I will give you the review for this once I use them. Hopefully the weather will get better and enough for me to go out, and I can do the review, especially for this one, mainly for this. And I guess all of them, because they really is really essential for me for this. I'm so excited for this, and actually I'm so excited for the three of them. And there's another technology that I saw online, and which is the camera, it's a motionless. It catches the time lapse, seems like I really love to get those. So we will see if I'll be able to get those, and we will see. So just put like this. Love it. So I'll put this one back here for now, because still have to study in them. So these are the items, guys. So when you, and the cost for this is about, for this one and this two together, I spent about 4,600 Czech crowns, something like that. Yeah, 4,600 Czech crowns, and that's about over $200. I'm not sure, something like that. It's a 4,600. It's a 4,600 Czech crowns that I spent for this. And then for this, I don't remember how much I bought this one. Probably, I don't know, I forgot. I have no idea. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope I could, not saying encourage, but I hope that I could give you some idea of things that you need when it comes to microphone, to AirPads or headphones, because this gives me the allergy, and because my other headphones is broken that I just broke earlier, and I need a new one like this. So the problem with the headphones, that like a headband, every time I take it out, I think it's the problem because it gives me the headache, that because of it presses so tight to my head. That's why it gives me the headache. And but this headphone is really good. I like this one. The problem is just it's too tight, and every time I move it, it's getting loose, and that's why I broke it. So this one is hopefully will be the answer to my sensitive ears, because this one is really gives these Apple AirPads really gives me the allergy. It gives me the allergy when I'm wearing it for a longer time, for an hour, more than an hour, and hopefully this one will work onto that. And this tripod, hopefully I could work onto that and can use it outside so that I can give you the good reviews about it. So guys, that's all for my unboxing for now, and see you next later, and hopefully I can give you some grabs of any idea about what kind of like headphones, AirPads, or tripods, or microphone that you need to get. So see you guys. So hopefully I give you more informations about this one, and I will link down which website that I bought that. Again, mega love shout out to all my members and to my super chatters. Please connect them as you can see in here. And mega love shout out to Vivo Princess for giving me the idea of this tripod. And there's another one that I really get, and I know you have it already, Vivo Princess. So for now guys, see you later and bye. Thank you so much for watching this video and for all your supports and your time and effort. I appreciated it a lot. And for all the admins and the members, thank you so much for tuning in there, and mabuhay po kayong lahat. God bless you guys. Bye. Legal Matters with Yen signed out.